Tomorrow is Inauguration Day and a civil war is about to start. So before I get drafted or forced into combat, I like to speedrun my career, starting with this glass tutorial. First thing you want is have something to apply your glass material to. As you can see, I'm just using the default cube here. Next, create a material and change it from principled BSDF to glass BSDF. Once you have that, switch to cycles, and you're basically done, technically. You could obviously play around with the settings here. Roughness determines how cloudy your glass is, and IOR, well, actually I have no idea, but I could show you. And color changes the pigment. This simple glass tutorial just taught you how to create simple glass, but there's one problem: windows. Here I created a simple scene with a window. What's the problem, you may ask? The problem is the window is practically invisible. Also, the ball of light they see inside looks like a solid, when you should really see nothing. Another problem is reflections. These are problems I haven't really researched enough to solve. You can try changing the roughness, but what if you don't want that cloudy type window? I tried changing the color, but it just looks like the room light changed color rather than the window itself. For reflections, I deformed the window a little bit, which actually probably worked. I also added HDRI to have a surrounding light. Even adding all this deformation and lighting still looked like Shicer. But I know there is a way to fix all of this. I just don't know how to do it.